Well, there is nothing like farm fresh produce, and especially when it comes to you.
That makes it even easier. And that is the Farmington Farm Truck that has come to us. We are here with Jennifer Villa and with Shanna Lambis. It's their creation. It's like good food on wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you go to a lot of corporations because
absolutely.
sometimes people are just too busy to get to their local farms or their farmers market. So that you can come and park outside an office building and we can all get our cute little apples and honey.
Exactly, and we also work with the health and wellness programs and deliver CSAs, and we do a whole...
Now tell us what a CSA is, because I had to look it up.
CSA is Community Supported Agriculture, which means that you pre-buy a share from a local farm or a group of farms in our case.
And it comes to your house once a month or something?
When the summer season hits, we deliver right to your door once a week.
Which is just great. Tell me about it's a 1954? Is this right?
This one's a 52. This is
52.
This is Violet May.
Oh, hello, Violet May. How are you? I feel like it's a real human
She's
being.
Jen's favorite.
Original owner delivered milk with her in the 1950s, and I bought her from George. And we have 54 Ford too, 54 Chevy, Jesse Jane.
Jesse Jane, yes. I love it. And they go and they run and they're active and they're good.
They've been on the road 5 days a week, all summer
long.
And
did you have to retrofit the back to make it look like a produce stand?
The back. We designed this display system, so we just go, open up the doors, and you get the farm fresh food where you work.
Look how beautiful. So Shanna, tell us a little bit about what you brought in today's selection. I'm sure everything changes depending on
our own kale. Yeah. We have the baby mini pumpkins. We have Empire apples and some Mutsu apples. Angel hair squash.
Ooh. Everything on the truck is Connecticut grown. It's all from some of what we grow and other local farms. So today we've got Carabin Farms, Grezik Farms. We have local bakeries, Bakery on the Ave, Sweet Equations.
And again, everything, even the products up here, the popcorn, the honey, the maple syrup, it's all 100%.
100% Connecticut.
100% Connecticut.
Ooh, look at this over here.
All right,
There's
Kara's found something. Kara's found something very good.
Imagine if you come out on your lunch break, which we've been lucky to do at Channel 3 here. Almond Joy cookies you can indulge, or you've got even stuff for your paw friends, handmade treats for the dogs.
Yes.
Yep. Locally made.
You can probably eat those as a human.
I think you can. I've seen people do it.
Yeah, exactly, which is really wonderful.
Oh my gosh, Scott, this bread is still warm.
Yes.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yes.
It's still warm.
It was just delivered to us by Enzo.
You're kidding.
It's warm
Isn't that
bread.
beautiful?
Yeah, it's great.
So how do I do this? If a corporation or if I'm a classroom or something, how do I do this?
You call me or email me. Our email, our website, our Facebook page, you can get to me all those ways. Grow at farmingtonfarmtruck.farm.
And are you on the road 7 days a week? Or are you
5 days a week?
5 days a week.
And we are now booking Thanksgiving visits, pre-Thanksgiving visits.
Pre-Thanksgiving visits.
And then holiday visits where we bring all the locally made canned goods and sweets into the building so you don't have to freeze.
Yeah.
And you get what better gift than a locally made jar of pickles or hot sauce. Or
what a great gift idea also to give a CSA to somebody. Can you do that?
Yes, absolutely. You can gift them for sure.
Oh, that's terrific.
So you give it, and then all year long they're going to get fresh veggies brought to their house.
Like all season long.
All season long.
Yep.
Okay. And also, you guys are all women-owned.
Yes.
Absolutely. 100%.
Let me step out of the shot here.
Women owned and run, pretty much. We have a couple of retirees that help drive that love to chug along in the 52 Ford.
I think that's fantastic.
Yeah, we love it.
So people do really want to eat healthy. They want to eat local. You're just making it easier for them.
Easier, yes. And
convenient, fun.
And who actually is picking the produce? The farmers are picking the produce and then giving it to you, or you're?
Some of it I pick at 5 in the morning, and
you pick in your own farm.
Yeah, we grow in farm.
And you specialize in certain things.
I specialize in flowers, herbs, some of the veggies.
Lettuce.
I grew the kale today, the habanero peppers. Those are getting made into a hot sauce for the holidays.
Oh my God,
If you missed,
I don't do the baking because
if you missed any of the festivals, there are apple fritters on this truck.
there are.
Is that an apple fritter? Okay, open it up.
But then there are usually 10, 12 different Connecticut farms.
Why? It's National Dessert Day. You open it up.
Open it up. That's totally fine.
No, I shouldn't.
But
you should.
The other thing is, if you're coming to a corporation, it's not just for them, because if they happen to, there's other people in the office park, people can come out and see you. And,
Exactly. Even if we're just dropping off CSAs, they can still come.
And the truck changes from season to season.
Every single day.
Every single day.
Almost every single day, yeah.
It's usually 10 to 12 different farms, Connecticut farms represented on the truck. So,
and you can see where they're going to be by going to the farmingtonfarmtruck.com excuse me, you're right, farmingtonfarmtruck.farm.
Yes. A lot of farms in there.
.farm. Okay, and you can follow on Facebook, Instagram, and that'll tell us too.